systems of justice. Good news, America. The founder of the Oath Keepers, Stewart Rhodes, was sentenced to 18 years in prison by a federal judge for his role in the January 6th riot. The federal judge accepted the government's recommendation of an enhancement for terrorism for the defendant's role leading a seditious conspiracy to disrupt the certification of President Joe Biden's election victory. The judge agreed with prosecutors that Rhodes inspired the use of violence in his followers to disrupt the certification, despite no shots being fired by any of these people, and that his conduct met the legal definition of terrorism. The judge cited the stockpile of legally purchased weapons that the Oath Keepers did not bring into Washington, D.C. for the insurrection, and left outside of the nation's capital. You, sir, present an ongoing threat and peril to this country, the judge told Rhodes before handing down his 18-year sentence. Oath Keepers founder Rhodes described himself as a political prisoner. Rhodes defiantly said it would take regime change, meaning Joe Biden leaving office, to fix the wrongs being done under this administration. Yes, folks, you can sleep easy at night knowing that this Oath Keeper will spend 18 years in prison. He was a bad, bad man. But you know, there's one thing he didn't do. Imagine what the prison sentence would be if this Oath Keeper founder, Stewart Rhodes, had thrown molotov cocktails at police cars. During the George Floyd protests, 2 lawyers' futures went up in flames. Colin Mattis and Aruj Raman were sentenced for burning a police car. On Thursday afternoon, Judge Brian M. Cogan of U.S. District Court in Brooklyn sentenced Mr. Mattis to 12 months and a day in prison for molotov cocktailing a New York City police car to protest the death of George Floyd. In November, the judge had sentenced Aruj Raman, Mattis's friend, to 15 months in prison. So you see here, folks, these people molotov cocktailed police cars in New York City to protest George Floyd. But because they were Democrat protesters, they weren't sentenced to 18 years in prison. If only Oath Keeper founder Stewart Rhodes had voted for Joe Biden and firebombed police cars, he would have received a much briefer sentence. This is the 2-tier system of justice in America in 2023. Thank you.